Hi, I am Tunzi, and today I am going to walk you through how you manage your stock and sales tracking with Yoco Counter. Let's have a look at how you can track stock and set up stock alerts for a product without any variance. You will select Products, edit icon, scroll to Track Stock and select Products. A unique product code will automatically be generated and you can choose the stock level that triggers an alert. An alert will be sent via email when the stock drops below a level you set. To set stock levels, click Product. Then select Set a new stock count. You can also add to, decrease or remove from existing stock. To view your stock levels, go to the Stock section under the Manage tab. Navigate to Manage. Click on the Stock tile, and here you will see all products that have stock tracking and stock alerts set up for them. You can view stock levels, amend stock alerts, and also set new stock counts or add to existing stock from this view too.